So this is our first system, which is system A, and we have loaded the data set and we've read the GeoJSON file. Moving on to the visualizations, we have printed them, we have saved them in a separate HTML file for better readability. So let's just go to system A's visualizations. So you can click on a particular borough here. For example, let's just choose Brooklyn. And in Brooklyn, you can choose a specific you can click on a specific offense to view crime demographics. So let's just pick harassment, or let's just pick others or harassment, anything, and we can view the suspect's demographic by gender and by race, also by age and by age group as well. And for better readability, we have them in a stacked bar chart just to be easier to read, and we also show the same thing for victims as well. This can also be filtered out doing in the timeline by years. So as you can see, this makes a difference dynamically in the chart. So that is system A. Moving on to system B. So this is our visualization for system B. As you can see, it includes a line chart showing how the crime how crime is trending over the years. Moving on to the visualization, there is a stacked bar chart that is present here that shows you the count of the total offenses happening in each particular borough, and you can see that panning over the line chart over here gives you detail about the crime as well. We have two heat maps here showing suspect demographics and victim demographics, showing their age group and their race, and this will all be viewed dynamically when we choose this particular timeline. As you can see happening here, that these two heat maps look different from where they initially started out with. So that is system B, which shows you like a time series analysis of how crime is, how crime affects suspects and victim over a period of time. Moving on to our final system, which is system C. System C's visualizations are right here, and they kind of stems off of system A as well. Moving on to the visualizations, we have the crime density map, where you can just drag to select an area. So selecting an area would make a dynamic difference in what is happening within the demographics or within the visualizations linked to the specific map. And going back to the original one, you can click on a specific gender to see how, where we're filtering out the data based off of gender, and choosing female would show you the race distribution, the age group, the crime in the selected area. Otherwise, hovering over the map will also show you like which borough you're specifically looking at or analyzing. Moving with respect to time, let's just remove this filter. You can see that this varies dynamically as well throughout the years and throughout time. And let's just put it back to suspect and see what happens. As you can see that there are dynamic changes being made within system C as well. And that concludes our visualizations for all three systems. Thank you.